For more updates, please subscribe the Desert Chef channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hi, welcome back to Desert Chef. Today we have harvested some cherry tomatoes from our farm. So I'm going to make a pickle with using cherry tomatoes. The tomato pickle can be made in different kind of ways. So I am making in a simple way, simple and easy way, because you don't have to put it in hot sun and dry it and do the pickle and all the stuff. Nowadays nobody has that much time to do it. So we are making a simple way of cherry tomato pickle. So it is very tasty, but cherry tomatoes has little sweet taste. So we are using some tamarind to give some little bit sourness in this one. In normal pickle, you don't have to put more tamarind. So for in cherry tomatoes, you can put little more tamarind if you love sourness. So otherwise you can avoid. If you want to, you can put it, otherwise you can avoid it. And it will be very tasty, very nice. Please do subscribe, share and prepare this one and enjoy this. Thank you. So we have taken approximately 3 kilos of cherry tomato and washed and dried. And we should cut into small pieces, and each tomato we can make it 4 pieces, that is sufficient. And we're using half cup of salt up to your taste. Normally that pickle requires more salt, and around 100 grams of tamarind. The cherry tomato has a little sweet flavor, so there is no much sourness in this one. That is why we are putting little more tamarind, around 100 grams added in this one. Then mix it well. So better to mix it with the hand. Just keep your hand dry and then crush with the hand. And keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours, so that the tamarind also will get soft. We are adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and I'm using around 5 to 6 spoons of Kashmiri red chili I'm adding here. Normal chili also you can use it, but you can reduce the quantity when you use the normal chili. The Kashmiri chili will give a good color in the pickle. Mix all the ingredients together. See the color, it looks red. Now this mixture, put it in a blender, make a paste of this one. No need to make very fine paste. A normal paste is enough. We have dry roasted 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, jeera, and half a spoon of fenugreek seeds, methi. So all dry roasted, and we're going to make a fine powder of this one, and then we will use this at the time of preparation. We're taking a flat kadai, and we're putting 200 ml of oil and little red chili and some mustard seeds and some fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds don't use much, otherwise it will give a bitter taste. And this curry leaf and some garlic. And this is Bengal gram, little bit. Bengal gram means it is chana dal. Just fry well. Don't make it too dark. It's almost fried. Now we will add this tomato paste. Drop it gently. Keep the stove in a medium flame. Just keep on stirring this one. At least it will take almost half an hour to 45 minutes. Make sure that it should not stick on the vessel. So I think the spice is not enough. So I'm adding 2 more spoons of chili powder. It is almost 10 minutes cooked. Now we are adding the powder, that masala powder which we prepared. 2 spoons will be sufficient, I think. Mix well and keep the flame low now, otherwise it will stick to the bottom, and keep on stirring. So I cooked another 10 minutes. Most of the water evaporated. Still some water is there. So we need to cook another 10 minutes. Then the complete water will evaporate and it will become thick. It's fully cooked now. The complete water is evaporated. The oil loosen out. So the color also very nice. The aroma of the pickle is also very strong. Now we should switch off the stove at this stage. Now we let this completely cool. Now we put in a glass jar. Now it looks very nice. This can stay more than 6 months in room temperature and more than a year in the refrigerator, provided you should not use any wet spoon to remove the pickle.